Put your hands behind the small of your back right now.
Okay, cover.
Give me your arm. Let go of the handcuffs. Focus up to that central 1 mile 83.
On the afternoon of June 7, 2025, at around 4 p.m, surveillance cameras inside the Roberts Commons parking ramp in downtown Fargo captured Joseph Manitowabi, 37, and Jesse Galusha huddled together in a narrow stairwell. In their hands were small glass pipes, which they raised to their mouths one after another, releasing white smoke. Behaviour identified as smoking methamphetamine. At the city's monitoring centre, an on-duty operator noticed the suspicious activity, zoomed in on the feed, and immediately alerted patrol officers. The operator quickly recognised Galusha, knowing he had an active arrest warrant. Minutes later, when the patrol team entered the stairwell, officers swiftly subdued Galusha on the spot. He was restrained, handcuffed, and led out. Meanwhile, Manitowabi appeared unsettled, trying to slip away from the confined space. He exited the stairwell, moved quickly toward the doorway, and stepped out onto the street.
Time for a larger American male. Is it Joseph? No. Joseph.
What's going on?
Hey. One of our officers saw you on the camera smoking meth in the.
I wasn't smoking no meth, I was just walking through.
Well, they called out your exact description, so you're just going to be detained right now, okay?
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back, please?
Yeah, I didn't do nothing.
Can you just go ahead and put your.
No, can I call? Can I get some help? No. What did I do wrong? What am I going to?
Detained. Put your hands behind your back. It's okay.
What am I going to, Lex?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong?
If you put your hands behind your back, we can tell you.
Come on, get the wall.
What am I going to, man?
Now.
This brief exchange highlights the tension from the very beginning. Officers repeatedly asked Joseph Manitowabi to cooperate, while he kept denying and questioning the reason for his detention. That hesitation and refusal set the stage for something more dangerous. By refusing to put his hands behind his back, Manitowabi chose to run, forcing officers to issue urgent calls and pursue him toward the Salvation Army lot. This moment marked the turning point. What started as a simple contact quickly escalated into a foot chase and violent confrontation.
7's on 1 Central Male, fleeing northbound Roberts Alley. Punched two officers in the face. Yeah, we're good.
You good?
Yeah. Let's get He's running towards the Salvation Army lot right now. The American Royal, light blue jeans, balcony tank top, long hair.
As soon as Joseph Manitowabi fled the scene, officers immediately launched a pursuit. Over the radio, they relayed his description and direction of travel, while other units moved to cut him off near the Salvation Army. What began as a simple contact quickly turned into a tense chase through the streets of Fargo.
West side of Salvation Army. Medical pursuit with them right now.
The wail of police sirens echoed through downtown, signaling an emergency response. Officers shouted commands as they sprinted after Joseph Manitowabi, keeping on his heels as he bolted toward the Salvation Army. The tension rose sharply. Bystanders turned their heads, while the pursuing officers were determined not to let the suspect escape.
Northbound behind Salvation Army west side. Put your hands in the air now! Stop! One at Taze Point, north side Salvation Army.
Within minutes, officers closed the distance and caught up to Joseph Manitowabi. As he resisted fiercely, they drew their firearms, aiming directly and ordering him to the ground. Surrounded with no way out, Manitowabi was overpowered. The display of weapons and the firm commands pushed the standoff to its peak, forcing the suspect into submission.
Down! Back up now! Get on the ground! Get your arms out in front of you. Lie down.
He was immediately ordered to lie face down on the ground. Officers drew their weapons, aiming directly at the suspect as they issued firm, uncompromising commands. The atmosphere grew tense, with all attention fixed on the standoff just a few feet away, as police prepared to take control at any cost.
Down! Back up now! Get on the ground! Get your arms out in front of you. Lie down. Put your hands behind the small of your back right now.
How is it covered?
Give me your arm. Let go of the handcuffs. Ferguson for that says you're 183.
Within moments, officers overpowered him. Forced to the ground, his arms were pulled behind his back and secured with handcuffs. The rapid pursuit came to an end, marking the moment the suspect was officially taken into custody.
Go my way. Check the sides here.
The chief of police. I was wondering if I was doing an
Push
investigation.
a damn officer, man.
I did. He was a traitor. I wasn't an officer.
You want glove up real quick?
I'm the chief of police.
Let's sit him up. Sit up, man. Bring your knees to your chest.
He's illegally detaining me. I'm undercover.
Get up.
I'm undercover.
Get your knees up now. I don't give a damn if you're undercover.
I'm undercover.
Sit up.
You want a 600?
Let me get this for you.
746. I'm sure we don't need a 600 right now. to the Zebra unit.
Once Joseph Manitowabi was restrained and handcuffed, officers carried out a full-body search in line with procedure. During the pat-down, they quickly uncovered several suspicious items hidden in his pockets and clothing. Alongside a few personal belongings, police seized drug paraphernalia used for smoking methamphetamine and a small vial containing crystalline meth. These discoveries became critical evidence, not only reinforcing the original grounds for detention, but also directly supporting charges of possession and use of illegal narcotics. The scene underscored the seriousness of the arrest. Officers carefully sealed the evidence, calling out each item as it was logged into the report. Onlookers who had gathered nearby watched as the chaotic foot chase gave way to methodical police work, with tangible proof secured on the spot. What began as a dramatic pursuit had now shifted into a clear-cut criminal case, built on the substances pulled from the suspect himself.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
On the north side of Southern County.
I'm the chief of police. I'm being illegally detained.
10-4.
I order all the chief of police under investigation on warrant of arrest.
3 counts of assault on a peace officer now. Good, no sir. Take a seat.
At the scene, once the restraint and evidence collection were complete, Joseph Manitowabi was formally advised of the initial charges he would face. These included assaulting police officers, resisting arrest, and possession and use of methamphetamine. After the charges and his rights were clearly read out, officers immediately escorted him into a patrol vehicle. Under close supervision, Manitowabi was transported directly to the police station for questioning and the standard booking process.